Good afternoon everyone, I'm Kylie Rasalan. I'm grade 10 Newton and I'm going to present how to make simple soup. First, we get a battery.
Francis, Christian, Justin, Carl,
Another battery.
Kyle,
Sir.
Javi, Cyrus,
And we get a wire.
Ashley, Bianca, Althea, Cyril,
Another wire.
Desa, Hannah, Rihanna, San si Rihanna.
And we're gonna
Yung mga
get the light
magkukulit
bulb.
pala, for example, meron kang kulang na quiz, I'll give you the time to do next week, Friday.
We're gonna just eat.
Voltage chart? Ano nalibatan nyo?
And another wire.
You're absent? Sino tatay? Sino pakap mo? Iba yung voltage chart. Diba, diniscuss na namin yan.
And we get
For example, this is your battery
Wire
and
na
voltage
rin.
chart.
Okay.
If this is the voltage, no, that's
Okay.
current. This is the voltage chart. Lagay ninyo yung passive at saka negative.
and we get
It's positive and this is... Kapag wala kayong makita,
Tikas na bagay. Di ba ba natin
so if ever na kulang yung
Ano?
mga... Nawag makita minus 1 point.
Here, oh my.
Example, you created an output, something like
Yeah.
this. So pagpababa, minus 1.1. Walang wiring na bababa. Yes.
Di pag-check. Ito na ito daldalan. Apa yung
Alam naman, switch ka na.
we're gonna put
What?
switch here.
You can submit it tonight, but if you cannot edit it, it's okay.
Size.
Yes, you can.
Large